The Fitbit Inspire 3 is a slim, lightweight fitness tracker that helps you stay on top of your health with 24/7 heart rate monitoring and advanced sleep tracking. It keeps you motivated with stress management tools, activity tracking, and up to 10 days of battery life. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Fitbit Inspire 3 tracker, additional large band, charging cable, and user manual. How to pair. To pair the Fitbit Inspire 3 with your iPhone, first turn on the tracker by pressing and holding the touch-sensitive buttons or connecting it to a charger. Make sure Bluetooth and Internet are enabled on your iPhone, then download and install the Fitbit app from the App Store. Open the app, sign in or create a Fitbit account, tap the profile icon, and select Set up a device. Choose Inspire 3 from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions and enter the pairing code displayed on the tracker. After completing the setup and permissions, your Fitbit Inspire 3 will be connected and ready to use. How to charge. To charge the Fitbit Inspire 3, connect the charging cable to a USB power source and align the charging pins on the back of the tracker with the pins on the charger. Secure the tracker onto the charger until it snaps into place and the screen will light up to confirm that charging has started. Smart features? 24/7 heart rate monitoring continuously tracks your heart rate throughout the day and night in real time. It helps you monitor your fitness, calorie burn, resting heart rate, and overall heart health more accurately. Advanced sleep tracking monitors your sleep stages, sleep quality, and overall sleep patterns throughout the night. It helps you better understand your rest and improve your recovery and sleeping habits. Stress management tools help track your stress levels and guide you through mindfulness and relaxation exercises. They help you stay calm, manage daily stress, and support your overall mental wellness. The 10-day battery life lets you use the Fitbit Inspire 3 for days without frequent recharging. It helps you continuously track your health, workouts, and sleep with fewer interruptions. All-day activity tracking automatically records your steps, distance, calories burned, and active minutes throughout the day. It helps you stay active and monitor your fitness progress in real time. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Fitbit Inspire 3 tracker from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Fitbit Inspire 3 tracker. See you at the next one.